Women are 4 times more likely to die simply from not expressing themselves authentically. Yes, you heard that right. Just from suppressing their truth. Because suppressing your authenticity isn't just about emotions. It's about your entire well-being, your physical health, your hormones, your nervous system, and ultimately your lifespan. Today, I'm breaking down why the safety you feel in your relationships could be one of the biggest factors in your hormone health and healing, how holding back your emotions can throw your body completely out of balance, and most importantly, what you can do to start feeling safe, supported, and whole again. Hey, I'm Evelyn, a holistic wellness coach specializing in women's hormone health and fertility, but here we go beyond that, from balancing hormones to mastering your emotions and embracing feminine energy. This is your space for all things holistic wellness, empowerment, and transformation. Get ready to reclaim your confidence, elevate your energy, and step into your most magnetic self. If that speaks to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and welcome to the channel. When I first heard the statistic from Dr. Gabor Mate, I couldn't stop thinking about how this actually plays out in our relationships and just how much our relationship dynamics impact our overall health and well-being. Let's face it, this is rarely talked about in the health and wellness space, but it's a conversation that needs to be had. A while back, a woman reached out to me seeking help. She had been struggling with chronic health issues for years. Excess weight she couldn't lose no matter how hard she tried, fibroids, migraines, exhaustion, trouble sleeping, and painful, heavy cycles. Then she shared something that gave me the missing piece to her struggles. She had been in an abusive marriage for many years, and even though she got out, she found herself back in a very similar dynamic shortly after. It became instantly clear to me. Her body was in survival mode. It didn't feel safe. And when the body doesn't feel safe, true healing is nearly impossible. This is why our relationships play a much bigger role in our overall health and well-being than we realize. When you don't feel emotionally safe in your relationships, where you can't fully express yourself without being minimized, dismissed, or made to feel like you're the problem, you censor yourself. You hold things in just to keep the peace. You shrink yourself. And that kind of suppression doesn't just stay inside your mind. It sends a signal to your body that it's not safe. And in turn, activates a chronic stress response, elevating cortisol levels. And when cortisol is high for too long, this has a domino effect on your entire endocrine system. It disrupts the balance of estrogen and progesterone, impacts thyroid function, and even shuts down ovulation. So if your cycles are irregular, if your PMS feels unbearable, if you're holding on to weight that you just can't seem to lose no matter how hard you try, if your energy is constantly up and down, it might not just be food or supplements. It might be your relationships. That's why I always say, who you choose as a partner is everything. It is single-handedly the most important decision you will ever make because it affects every aspect of your life. So here's what I want you to reflect on. Do you feel safe to express your emotions fully with the people closest to you, especially your romantic partner? Or do you find yourself shrinking, minimizing, and silencing your truth just to avoid conflict? Because here's the truth. If you don't feel safe being your full, expressed, authentic self, the cost of staying in that kind of dynamic is way too high. It's literally life or death. As women, we need to start choosing better partners, partners who have the emotional capacity to hold us fully and learn to walk away from those who don't. Now, I'm curious, have you ever noticed your relationships affecting your health, your hormones, or your cycle? I would love to hear your story. So if you feel called, leave a comment down below. And if you're ready to give your hormones a complete reboot, then you should definitely check out my 7-day meal plan, the Hormone Balance Reboot. You'll learn exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and how to support your hormones, digestion, and energy without any guesswork. And if you're looking for personalized one-on-one support on your hormone balancing or fertility journey, I'd love to connect with you. You can book a free wellness consultation with me to see if working together would be a good fit. I'll include both links in the description box below. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.